Alright, so I'm glad you made it to this stage, and this is a video walkthrough on a scenario. They were unable to plan this, and they were unable to get good follow-up system, such that anytime they get a new list on their phone or from their website, it's just a scenario. Anytime they get a new list from their website, they are able to track those leads, and they are using not on a lot of work. So I make a scenario in there, and this is a flow of things that are involved, the operation, and what is used here is a Google form, a Google sheet, Zapier table, then Slack channel to notify the marketing team when there's a new lead based on some certain featuring, Gmail to notify some other people when there's a new lead. So, alright, so the users here can opt in for different services. So I created a form for this to show this. So I'm going to fill this now. Then we check out the operation together. Alright, here is ratio still, for example, just an illustration, and the email is ratio0@gmail.com. Alright, so what's the name of the organization I have? Let me say tables, and that's my organization size. Alright, so what happens is that if the organization size is more than 500, yeah, so they are going to get an email. That's why it's automated. And if they are less than 500, so the target of the company or the industry now is to focus on organizations that are more than 500. So what do we attend? Let's just fill this. I'm going to attend the 3 days. Then over here, I want us to get this. Okay, I'll choose a premium plan. So I'm interested in going for the premium plan. Alright, so after I submit the form now, then we go into our web. Yes, so this is going to do. The spreadsheet row is going to be created. Let's check it out here. The spreadsheet is created already. Boom. So the spreadsheet has been created already. I'll see this 719. This is time I'm recording this video. So all our inputs is here and register for premium. Alright, so let's go ahead and see what is going to happen. Alright, so the next step that is going to encounter in there is that from the Google Sheet, which our form is being recorded, our database. So this Zap is going to make sure it appears on the Zapier table also. So let's go ahead and check the table. Alright, so we have our record in there. It's going to go to the next app. So the filter condition here is that if the company size is less than 500 or 500, then it's greater than 500. So that means any company size lesser than 500 is not going to get the next app. So they're going to get their Mailchimp updated for subscriber. Then from your premium plan, after that, they are going to notify the company on the Slack channel. So I open the Slack channel. Let's check it out. So this is the message 7:30. Can you see the time? So that's the exact time which I did that. So in other ways, if the user filled up enterprises plan, is going to get the condition here, then get into this Gmail. So after this Gmail, there's going to be delay for 5 minutes, then get another email for a suggestion. So because of the record length of this video, I'll not be able to show the other step over there, but that's how it's going to run, and everything is working fine and good. Alright, so thank you for watching this video, and I believe this could work for you. You should now it's perfectly fitted for your organization, and you'll be able to follow up and catch up on all available leads and forest. So let's try it and fill other forms, and let's see if we will buy time. So go ahead. Yes.